How to create dual apps in Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up settings on a device. Now scroll down and find apps. Now simply tap on apps. Now tap on app cloner. Now give all the permissions. Now find the application you want to clone. If you don't find it on the list, simply tap on other apps. Now scroll down and find the application. Now simply tap on the application. Now enable the toggle for create app clone. Now wait for some time. Now once you're done, simply go back to the home screen and open up the application. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.